Good morning, student. I, Purnima, welcome you to my class of English, and we were doing the fun they had. So I will be continuing this lesson. Before that, I welcome you all to my class of English. Now, student, let me tell you that this is a funny lesson which throw light on the future education of our children. We were also going in the same. We are standing in the same queue or sailing in the same boat. Nowadays, we are having children. The writer Isaac Asimov, he has told us that he will be, what he will be doing. The writer told us that he will be children. He has thrown light about the future education of our children. That the education will be taking instead of a real teacher, the mechanical teacher will be there. Instead of classroom, virtual classroom will be there, and children will be educated through computer and internet. Okay, the same thing which we are also facing. Only thing, the difference is that you people are having real teacher and not the mechanical teacher. So this is a nice and wonderful children future protection, and where one brother and one sister is there, Tommy and Margie. Tommy is 13 years old and Margie is a younger sister. She is 11, and he has Tommy is has bought the real book. The sister is surprised to see that book because she is reading from ebooks. Millions of ebooks are there in her computer screen or in the television. So they both are surprised, and Tommy think that books is a real waste. So what does he do? He tell his sister. Even she is surprised, and now children, she when she has written this thing, okay, and when she wrote on the page of our diary, and the date which she has written was 17 May 2157. This was the date. So this she started comparing the education which was given to the student at this year, and when she saw the book, she started comparing the education which used to be there when her grandfather and grandfather used to go to the school. So the author introduces his lesson with two kids named Marky and Tommy. Children, she wrote in her diary, Tommy had a real book today. It is a very old book. He was reading it. He found it is in the attic of his house. The book was about a school. Marky's grandfather told her about the book. The stories were printed on the paper. The words were written on the pages. They did not move on the screen like the present day. Thus, it was funny to read the still word. It was rather a heavy waste. Tommy viewed that there were millions books on the television screen. Now, children, the Marky, she used to hate school. The moment Tommy told her that this book is about school, she hated that word very much. Maggie always hated the school. Now, children, after that, the writer shared some of the experience of Margie, that her mechanical teacher was giving her test in geography, but she was not a good at it. Her mother's called for the country inspector. Now, children, country inspector were those people who were called at the time of when something when some was there, something worse, some disturbance was there with the mechanical teacher when he was not able to teach properly. It was a box. So he was a little round man. It was a box of tools. He separated the teacher. Now, children, the teacher was not a human being. It was a mechanical teacher. So he separated the teacher, but it was on a big screen. After an hour or so, there were lessons and questions on it. There was a slot. The Margie had to put her homework and test paper. She was doing it since she was 6. The mechanical teacher calculated her marks. The country inspector informed Marky's mother, Mrs. John, about the girl that her progress was quite satisfactory, but it was since that it was some defect was there in the mechanical teacher. It had showed the geography sector. She hoped that her teacher would be of it altogether. She asked Tommy why anybody would write about a school. Now, children, Tommy told Margie that this is an old kind of a school that they had centuries. Now, Tommy told that this is not the school of our kind. This is an old kind of a school. Centuries ago, a man worked as a teacher. He taught the boys and the girls. He gave them homework. He asked them questions. There was special building for the kids. All learned the same thing. But Margie told him about the view of her mother. Her mother says that a teacher has to adjust according to the minds of the kid, but Margie has a keen desire to read about these funny schools from the book. Schoolroom of Margie. Her mother called Margie as it was her time for a schoolroom. Margie went into her schoolroom. The mechanical teacher was waiting for her. It was irregular in its work. The screen was lit up. It taught arithmetic lesson on the addition of proper fraction. It also asked to insert the homework of the previous day. Margie was a bit sad. She was rather thinking about the old school of her grandfather days where kids studied together. The teachers were people while the mechanical teacher was busy on the screen. It was the question of addition of fraction. Margie was lost deep in thinking about the school in the olden days, and finally she started thinking that how about the fun of the kid had those days in the school. So finally, after all, she also was in favor of the real school where kids used to go and study together with the human teacher. Now, children, it depends upon you. What did you like it? I think mostly everybody will favor human teacher and the school of the that offline school, isn't it? So now let's start the chapter. Chapter number we have already done till paragraph 5. Okay, then the when mother called country inspector to check the mechanical teacher. So this is there. Okay, the inspector had smiled and he was finished and patted Markie's head when the country inspector came to check the teacher. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Markie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl fault, Mrs. John. I think the geography sector was scared a little too. Scared means it was running fast. It was changing and running fast. These things happen sometime. I've shown it up to an average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Markie's head again. Now, children, he patted Markie's head again. And Markie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Now, Markie was very sad when the country inspector told that the teacher is all right and now Markie would be able to study once again. So she was wishing that the teacher should be taken away for some time, as it happened with the case of her brother, that when his history teacher was not working properly, so he was taken away for almost a month and then he came back. So she remembered that they had once taken Tommy teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So why they had taken his teacher? Because it had blanked. It had
the unknown history of 13 lakh Indian soldiers.
Now, children. So she is asking Tommy when Tommy showed her the book that why would anybody would write about school. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it is our kind of a school, stupid. So he is telling that because she hates school and all that studies and tests. So she is asking Tommy why everybody would write about a school. Now Tommy is saying, Tommy looked at her with superior eyes because it is not our kind of a school. Stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Now Tommy is telling this is not the kind of school which we are having. It is the type of school. It is a type of school. Just children which used to be there hundred years ago. He added loftily in a very superior way. So this is the meaning of lofty in a very superior way. So he started telling that this is the school, okay, um, which they had lawfully, which he had lawfully pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Now Margie was hurt, and well, I don't know what kind of school they had all the time. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Surely they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man, how could a man be a teacher? Now Margie is very surprised when Tommy told that a man was a teacher. She told, how can a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So he told that he told boys and girls, um, told the boys and the girls thing and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Sure, he knows almost as much as I betcha. Betcha is a word for a bet. Okay. So Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now, children, again, Margie was not favoring um, him. He told, uh, according to him, she feel that the man is not at all smart enough to be a teacher. Okay. Hmm. But he told that our father knows their teacher much better. This I bet. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Margie, she wasn't prepared for the dispute, and she said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now she told, I don't want a teacher, a real human teacher who is really strange for me in my house. So Tommy screamed with Tommy wasn't prepared to dispute. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now, children, Tommy further added, and he told Margie, no, a teacher doesn't have to come to the school, but the kids, they had to go to the school. It was a special building only, which was meant only for teaching, and all the kids, they used to go, they used to learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age, their age was also same. Paragraph 8. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. Teacher, that each kid has to be taught differently. Now he is telling that my teacher says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the books. I did not say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny school. Now, I did not say I did not like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny school. Now, children, Margie told that she is not telling she did not like it, but of course she would like to read about the funny school. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. John, it's probably time for time too. Now, children, the mother is calling. She is telling that both of you are getting late for your class. Marky said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school?" Now she got a bit interesting, and she is telling that can she read about the book about the school. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. Tommy told, "Okay." Now he told, "Maybe," he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means unwillingly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So, the dusty old book, okay, it was tucked. Okay, tucked is folded. So, it was folded beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular intervals. The screen was lit up and it said, "Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction." Now, children, something about the classroom and the e-books is written here. The screen was lit up. Now, children, they were ready to be studied by their mechanical teacher. It said, "Today arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot." So I told you a slot was there where the people used to insert their homework. Insert means to put. Okay. And so this is the way that how writer imagine how the teacher will be teaching, how the homework will be inserted in the slot. Now Maggie did so with a sigh. Maggie, though she also has to insert her homework with a very sigh, she did it. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather was a little boy. Now, children, she became a bit boring, and she started thinking about the old school which her grandfather's grandfather had when he was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talked about. And the teacher were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. Flashing is showing. When we add fractions, half and by 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kid must have loved in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. No, children, the teacher was thinking, but Margie was thinking some other thing. What she was thinking? She was thinking about the old school, that how fun the kid, the kid should have a fun. Okay, the kid should have the fun. They were sitting together, reading together by the same teacher. They must be discussing the homework also. So she is thinking about that fun. Okay, so this is here the chapter ends, and now children I will be discussing the question and answer. Okay, how old was Marky and um, Tommy? So Margie was 11 years old, Tommy was 13. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote in her diaries, Tommy found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No. Margie had never seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? Margie was surprised to see the yellow and crinkly pages. They were words, but when they turned page to the pages before it had the same word. What is it being compared with by the speaker? It is being compared with a printed paper book. So what things about the book did she find strange? The word in the book stood still and the page showed the same words when they rolled back. So children, it was the same type of books were there when the paper rolled. The paper will also rolling. The word stood still and the page showed the same words when they were rolled back. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is a book that can be read on the television screen. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Margie's school was a computer in her home. She did not have any classmate. What subject did Margie and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy learned geography and history. Uh, Answer the following with reference to the story. I would not throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy says these words. What does it refer to? It referred to the television screen with telebook on it. What is it being compared with by the speaker? So television screen is being compared with the book by the speaker. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? They refer to the boys and girl. Or they refer to the kids of the past hundred of years ago. What does regular mean here? Regular here mean an ordinary or the usual kind, that is mechanical teacher. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with the mechanical teacher. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph for about 30 words. What kind of teacher did Marky and Tommy have? Marky and Tommy have the mechanical teacher. He taught them different subjects. He gave tests and calculated the marks. He asked questions and gave homework. It was to teach them at the fixed hour. Why did Margie mother send for the country inspector? Margie was the daughter of Mrs. John. She was not well at geography. Margie mother called the country inspector for help. After observing, he informed that Margie overall progress was quite satisfactory. What did he do? The country inspector was a little round man. He was called to test Margie's progress in geography. And after careful examination, he told that Margie's progress was quite satisfactory and Margie was quite all right. It was not her fault. It was the fault of the geography sector, which was a little too quick. He had slowed it to suit a 10 to 11-year-old kid. So this was there. Why was Margie doing badly at geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? So Margie was doing badly at geography. It was not her fault. It was because the geography sector was a little too quick to help Margie. it to an average 10 years labor. Anyway, her progress was quite satisfactory. What had once happened to Tommy teacher? Once Tommy teacher was away for about a month. There was the history sector in the computer. By chance, it had blanked out completely, so Tommy did not do his work in history. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Margie had regular days and hours for school. The time was quite fixed except for Saturday and Sunday. It was because Mrs. Jones had a whim that little girls learn better in case that they learn at regular intervals. So, did Margie have a regular? Now, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Regarding the old kind of school, Tommy described that it was housed in a building. There, the girls and the boys sat together, they studied together, they laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. At the end of the day, they left for their house collectively. Now, so uh, how does he describe the old kind of teacher? So, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Regarding the old kind of school, Tommy described that it was housed in a building. There, the girls and the boys sat together. They studied together. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. At the end of the day, they left for the house collectively. So, children, this is the you can see how nicely they used to have. They must have a lot of fun. Answer. How does he describe the old kind of teacher? Tommy described that they were men in the real sense. They taught all the kids together. The teacher had to adjust to fit the mind of every student. Each kid has to be taught differently. Now, part 4 of question answers. Part 4 is a long question answer. So, let's see what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the schoolroom that Margie and Tommy have in the story. Margie and Tommy were two kids. Margie was a girl of 11 years. Tommy was a boy of 13. They were getting their education in their home. They were not sent to school building because the old technique of education had become a thing of past. In their home, they had a television or a computer. With the help of a screen, they learned all the subject. It was the mechanical teacher who taught them everything. It was a good box of tools with the dials and wires. There was a big screen and lesson, question and test paper appeared on it. Margie and Tommy had to go into the schoolroom. It was right next to their bedroom. The mechanical teacher was always on time. It was on and waiting for them. The screen was lit up and the lesson appeared on it. There was slots where they had to insert their homework and test paper. Now, why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie was a girl of 11. She had never been to a building school. She thought it as a fun. She was scornful about the word school. She hated it more than anything. She thought it to be a building where kids sit together and study. In the other sense, she had become habitual to learn from the mechanical teacher. She enjoyed learning on the big screen. In her view, the old kind of school must have been fun. It used to exist centuries ago. She was surprised how a man could be a teacher there. The school had a special building. There, all the kids learned the same thing. The students were nearly of the same age. They sat and studied together in the schoolroom. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They returned home together at the end of the day. Margie was thinking how the kids had loved it in those days. Thus, she thought that the old kind of school must have been fun. So, student, you can see um, the how nicely the future school is compared with the today's with the today's school, with the school which we are having nowadays. And finally, children, it was told by Margi that how earlier she was hating the school and she was thinking how worse the situation is there must be when the people used to go to school. But then, after all, finally at the last, she was thinking how fun it would have been when all the students used to go to the same building to learn together with a human teacher. They used to discuss the homework because it was taught to each and everybody. So how fun it would have been. So finally with this, I end my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.